If you want to buy one of these and you're watching this YouTube channel for that reason, get her bought, boss. She is the ticket. Dance, let's go.
Hi.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, guys. We've got a new yoke for cleaning the car. What do you call it, Ivor? What do you call it? Dude, this is the Snow Foamer 2000. Shh. I roll this out like this. All the twist is in it. It's the opposite, rolling it up. You'll have to stay tuned for another minute to see that. Look, this is a dial. Controls the airflow, which means more suds or less suds. I got this through a mate, 40 quid.
It's like, it's called like, I think we should call it so long a dirt.
The guy I bought it through, this is 2 litres, and the guy says if I put the suds in pure, I should get wash 3 cars with it. Heh, I'm gonna wash 40 cars with 2 litres.
Daddy.
Snow foam, baby.
Daddy, we should call it so long a dirt. That's what we should call it.
200 mil. Let's see how far that goes. Let's dilute it with some water. Today, Ivor's in jammy mode.
Daddy.
And Ezzy's in bare butt mode.
Daddy, learn how something.
What?
We should call it so long a dirt.
If you want to see so long dirt, you'll have to see me cleaning my motorbike because it's been so long from I cleaned it last. And it's up for MOT on Monday, so that's why I'm actually going to clean it this time. Hi, Mom. Do you want to see Mummy through a window? Come quick.
You want so long a dirt mean?
Where?
Super good at hell dirt.
There's Mummy through a window.
So long a dirt stands for super good at killing dirt.
Knock the window.
Daddy. Peter.
Hi, Mommy.
Peter. So long a dirt stands for Daddy. Super good at.
I'm not Peter. My name's Daddy.
Daddy.
What?
So long a dirt means it's super good at killing dirt.
Dirt buster. Super
No.
long dirt buster.
No.
Well, what is it called then?
So long a dirt.
So long, eh, dirt?
That's how.
Buster.
No, Buster.
I bust you. Hey, show the guys your teeth.
I bust you.
Show the guys your teeth. Smile. Four and a wee bit to 1. It's just over a litre. Let's go. Follow me.
No.
I'm going to turn you into an excellent cameraman.
No, you are the cameraman.
We see the suds, look. Boom shakalaka. There's a bald cock in here, so never overflows. Tights the hose, leave it to fill.
No.
Good idea or bad idea?
Bad idea, because you're gonna just stick a metal saw right into it and then it will just leak out.
Well, you still couldn't fit into it. Good idea. Run the obstacle course. Yeah, it's pretty good.
My Mac is the whole map. Ah! Yours is just a helicopter thing.
Ivor, let's try the new Snow Foamer. Let's see how good a job this thing is. Oh, in the last video, we did an update of the garden. I want to show you what happened. The caterpillars like eating the leaf. we kill the caterpillars, then we know the butterflies, and I like butterflies, so compromise. Whoa, that is really sunny.
Yeah.
Go get the camera and show them.
We should buy this one. We should buy this before we buy the other one. Daddy.
Yeah, crazy.
Daddy, I'm putting it back up. Daddy, did you break it over, Daddy?
No, it was like that.
I think it's for removing
Dude.
it from my office.
No way, dude. It's not even working.
Your power washer broken.
You see this? Look. Look at that there leaking. Oi, 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 oi. Give it to him. Let him have a go. We need to go and tighten this up. Right, Ezra, you washing? Let me help. Can I help?
No!
I'll go for a sleep and come back in 10 hours. Okay?
Bye.
Bye. There was a bit of a hiccup. What was the hiccup?
You're not letting me out?
No. Ezzy going through the turbo twos. He wouldn't give us the hose back. No, bro. Right, off. Good. Just do it. Look at me. Look at me. Just do that there. Keep it going. Right, other side. You can do the other side yourself. Right, this bit, you missed a bit. Right, other side. Walk up it, walk up it. Keep going, walking up it. You missed a bit on the roof. Stand back. Right, good job. Right, let's get the hose out now. Do you want to go around it with suds?
Yes, you can hold it.
Well, you can go around it with a sponge. What do you think? A snow foamer?
Good.
Yeah, it is good. It's fantastic.
Daddy.
There we go. 2 washes. About 300 milliliters or thereabouts. Right, boss, get her washed.
I'm doing it just weak, so I can do it very far.
You're doing it weak because you are weak.
No, I am actually very strong, but I'm doing it weakly so I don't score the pipe.
You're doing it weak because you have no muscles like your daddy.
Look how much I am.
Who's the strongest? Comment below. Mummy, do you see that there thing, snow foam going? Some job. Here, how's Ezra?
It's that time for the snow.
This is the mixed stuff.
Why can we not do that?
Oh, dude. What did I do to that bottle?
Is It's over there.
No.
What bottle?
Oh, I'm holding on to it. It's been a long day. So we need it, don't we? Want to wash the motorbike?
Daddy, we should use. We need a bottle like that for the snow foam party.
Snow foam party. Whoop, whoop,
If
whoop,
we
whoop,
get,
whoop.
if we get,
Dance, let's go. Right, boss, let's get the suds washed off this yoke and then we get the motorbike in because I'm going trucking today. Up and down. You're getting wet. Good. You're going to get all wet, look. Look, I'm soaking. Sorted. That is the new snow foamer we got for washing the cars. It is a #1 job, top notch. Have to give it a thumbs up. If you like it, I can't tell you the manufacturer of it. They probably come off the same production line anyway, regardless of which type it is. Have to wash the electric car. I'm going to wash the motorbike because it's up for PSV, and I'm going to wash the trailer because I don't think I've ever washed it before. As he says, his go now.
Can you hold that here?
What are you going to do with it? Out of power, bro. Right, guys, almost forgot to show you how I fold this up and I'm completing the task. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then look, boom. It rolls itself up. Look. Didn't really work.
You hold it.
Boom shakalaka.
Got it.
And when you're rolling it up, look. That's what happens if you're not careful with the exhaust, because it'll melt it.
Yep, you always said it there too.
Good job or bad job? Oi!
Yes. Bad job.
No, good job. Bad boy. Good job. Right, I'm just finishing off here. I've all read up. Wanted to show you this. This is what is left out of 1.2 litres. I'm guessing it's a quarter. 300 millilitres. Summarize, we washed the Mazda 3 times because Ezra wanted to get involved. We washed the Nissan Leaf twice. We washed the trailer once. And we washed the motorbike twice. Maybe 3, I'm not sure. But if you want to buy one of these if you want to buy one of these and you're watching this YouTube channel for that reason, get her bought, boss. She is the ticket. Thanks for watching. Peace.
Ivor.